video. As you saw already, cruising around the M6 today. I actually am at my local ski shop, and this is the first time I've actually used the pass-through in the rear seat. I didn't even know how to do it before because I've never needed it, but you can in fact fit skis in here. The center portion of the back seat just pops right off, and the bag pops out and you're good to go. So picked up my skis, thinking about getting a car wash. Things to note when you're daily driving your M6 is that your brakes usually squeak in traffic. They're really big brakes, so if you're not doing a lot of hard braking, it's probably gonna squeak. Also, it might seem like you just got your oil changed, but you're probably gonna wanna change your oil again. These cars love to eat through oil, and I like to get it changed like every 2,000 to 3,000 miles probably, just to keep everything healthy. Also, my wheels are gloss black, and they are always just matte black because the amount of brake dust that these big brakes produce keeps them covered all the time, like all the time. So that's probably why I'll go get a wash and then wrap this thing up. Also like to note that the selectable driving modes are super nice. So I'm going in M2, which is my Sport Plus everything, because I like to have fun, but there's also, I have comfort mode set up on here and all of that, so it does make the M6 super nice for daily driving. I drive this thing to work all the time, and it's a fall day, but it's actually 72 degrees outside, and it's November 8th, which is crazy. I've made it to my favorite touchless car wash. Never go to one with the brushes because those just destroy your car's paint. The ones that actually are like these robots that go around your car and don't actually make contact, far better, and it will not screw your paint up, so would recommend doing that. So normally I would now hop out and dry my car off, but I forgot to bring towels with me because I wasn't really planning on getting a car wash. So hopefully these water spots don't dry on my car before I get home. If they do, whatever. It's just a car. If you guys are interested in some POV driving stuff, I will put some videos that I've made in the cards up above. I've done a few of those, and also there's a ton of videos on the channel about this car, the modifications, what it's been like owning it for over a year now. All of that stuff can be found on the channel, and there is an M6 playlist, so if you want to just watch every M6 video I've ever made, well, you can just go ahead and play that, and you'll be up to speed in no time. Alright, just made it home. Gonna go ahead and wipe off these water spots with some detail spray, but I do want to show you guys the storage space back here. Open this. So I've got my ski boots right there, looking yummy, and then these I probably won't be able to show you, but I was able to fit a full size pair of skis in there as well. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Be sure to check out the other videos on the channel. There's a ton of M6 content, Land Rover content, guns, airsoft, skiing, all that kind of stuff. So be sure to scroll around, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.